Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a super quick test of the Yeryork pressure washer. This is an Amazon pressure washer. It's 3,500 PSI electric. You plug it into the wall. I was extremely skeptical. It's very small, and with it being electric and not gas, I was worried if it was going to be powerful enough. But stay till the end of the video because I was very impressed at the end at just how good this pressure washer is. Can highly recommend it for all DIY home type people who just need one that's nice and quick and easy to get out and set up and just get some pressure washing done. So putting it together right now was very easy to do. All you have to do is slide a couple pieces onto the side, screw this little plate into the back. I believe this is for wrapping the cable, and then you also need to screw the legs into the bottom. So that was easy enough. Basically anyone can do it. The one downside here is it did not come with a screwdriver that fits in these little holes, so you do need to have a relatively skinny screwdriver. But that's it right there. You just unscrew the 4 wheels and you're good to go. Now for the gun itself, you just attach it like that, super easy. And then you need to actually install both the water cable to the pressure washer and to the gun itself. Now, the gun comes with 4 tips at different angles. I'm using the 15 degree in this video, so pretty thin. It doesn't spread out very far, but you can switch to whatever tip you want. And also the gun, you can see, has holders for the other tips there, which makes it super easy to do. The ends are high quality. They have little rotatable things that you can screw in, so it's not super difficult to get them screwed on or off or anything like that if you're going to be taking it off and on a lot. Same thing goes on the end with the gun. You just go ahead and screw it on there. I do wish the little winds in the water cable were not so tight. I'd spent a lot of time basically just unwinding that cable, and I made sure to loop it a lot bigger when I actually put it away. But to get started, go ahead and turn on the water, then flip on the switch, and you are ready to start power washing. So I was not originally intending to power wash my entire porch, but when I started doing this, I quickly realized, well, my wife's not going to let me stop now with half of it clean. So I did end up just cleaning the entire porch, and you can see it really needed it. It's like green. And this thing is having absolutely no trouble getting rid of this dirt and grime. It's actually working very, very well. Now, one of the great things about electric instead of gas is that the noise level, it's still relatively loud, don't get me wrong, but way, way, way less loud than if you were to use a gas variant. It's also much smaller. It's got wheels on it that kind of go in all 4 angles, so much, much easier to roll around than your typical kind of 2-wheeled gas one. And so now you guys can just enjoy some nice pressure washing footage of me going across my entire porch here. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested, I will have this pressure washer link below. It is very good for the price and is always a good find on Amazon. So check it out and let me know what you think if you end up getting it. Thanks for watching. Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hairdryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart. And there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.